Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my beloved student. Okay, nice to meet you. This is the first time we meet. This morning, we would like to talk about suggestion or recommendation. Suggestion is an idea or thought that someone purposes. Suggestion is optional, meaning someone can accept or reject it. The objective learning today are 1. The student must be able to ask for a suggestion, written or orally. 2. The student must be able to give suggestion, written or spoken, orally. 3. The student must be able to respond to a suggestion, written or orally. There are some kind of suggestion. Informal suggestion. 1. Word used. Number 1. Why don't you? 2. How about? It might be. It would be nice. Okay, let's look at the example. Why don't you go with your brother? Okay, let's look after don't you, after don't you, this one followed by verb 1. Tidak boleh why don't you to go? Tidak boleh. Why don't you when? Why don't you gone? Okay, it must be followed verb 1 ya. How about taking? Ini. Okay, number 2. How about taking? After about followed by inform ya, inform, verb ing. Tidak boleh. How about take a picture with Shakira? Right one is how about taking picture with Shakira. Okay. Number 3, it might be a good idea to park your car here. 4, it would be nice to see this film. Okay, let's go on. Neutral suggestion. Neutral suggestion. It can be used both formally and informally. Word use. I suggest. For example, I suggest you stop the car now. I suggest you borrow a reference book at the library. Okay. Next. Forceful suggestion. The word used, you'd better. 2. I would strongly advise. Okay, look at the example. You'd better see the doctor. You are you are not in a good condition. Your friend suggests you'd better see the doctor. It means if you don't see the doctor, you will get worse. You will get worse. Kondisinya semakin memburuk. It means cause negative effect ya, yang disebut negative effect seperti itu. Jadi you are not in a good condition but you don't go to the doctor, it means you will get worse. Okay. Next, the pattern. Suggest plus gerund plus noun atau noun ya. Suggest, gerund plus noun. Noun itu kata benda, gerund itu kata benda bentukan dari kata kerja dengan cara mengingkan. Membuat ing kata benda, kata kerja itu. For example, have jadi having. For example, Mr. Durham suggests having a meeting. Having ini gerund ya. Ini harus dibendakan, tidak boleh Mr. Durham suggests have a meeting. It must be gerund, having. Sekali lagi, Gerund itu kata benda yang terbentuk dari kata kerja dengan cara mengingkan kata kerja itu. Oke, next, go on. Suggest that subject plus infinitive. For example, Mark suggests that he should sell his house. Use should, ya. Should sell. Should itu seharusnya, ya. Mark suggests that he should sell his house immediately. Okay, next, go on. Responses. Responses, there are two kind of responses, accepting suggestion and refusing, menerima dan menolak saran. The example, that's fine, that's good idea. Yang refusing, it is not a good idea. I don't agree with you. Okay, recommendation. Asking for recommendation. What do you recommend? For example, do you have any recommendation? Can you recommend something? Giving recommendation-nya. I mean refusing. A response of recommendation-nya. It is not good idea. I don't agree with you. The pattern. Gerund, ya, recommend. Recommend plus gerund or none. Di gerund tadi sekali lagi, once more, terbentuk dari kata kerja yang diingkan. Karena harus dibuat kata benda dulu. Caranya bagaimana? Mengingkan kata kerja itu. Read jadi reading, itu gerund. Go jadi going. Eat jadi eating. Kalau read itu verb, kalau reading itu ing form, ya, atau gerund. Oke, let's go on. Patternnya sama tadi. Recommend, that, subject, verb infinitive plus verb infinitive. Mark recommend that he should sell his house immediately. Okay, let's go on. Suggestion, recommendation. What the difference suggestion and between recommendation? Suggestion itu weaker, lebih lemah. Unofficial, tidak resmi, ya. Kalau recommendation itu stronger, lebih kuat, based on experience, and official, secara resmi, ya. Okay, that's all. I hope it is useful for us. Thank you. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.